Today's tutorial will be on how to safely take down your nail sets without damaging your nails. So we did this set and it lasted her 6 weeks, guys. Look at that growth. So I already did the other fingers and I'm just going to show you guys what I did on this thumb. So the first thing I did was to clip off the extension. It was polygel. So I just clipped it off right down to the point where her natural nails were. And then I took a coarse bit and started filing off. When you're doing this, you want to make sure that you're not staying on the same spot for too long because that will hurt and it might cause damage, which is what we're trying to avoid. All right, so you want to just keep moving the drill around all around the corners, as you can see me do, and you want to do this very gently. All right, it's a gradual process. Do not try to be in a rush because you would injure yourself or your client, and you do not want that. So just go as gently as you need to and work with a speed that you're comfortable with. I do not remember the exact RPM I used, but I think we're somewhere around 20. And when you're working with the coarse bead, make sure that you do not go on the natural nails, all right? You do not go on the natural nails. Stay only on the polygel or acrylic or whichever extension you're trying to take off. So after that, I switched over to a finer bit because, I got really close to the natural nail and it was just a very thin layer of polygel that was left. So I took the finer bit and just file that off. Then I'm going in now with my prepping. So I just used the cuticle pusher to push back her cuticles. Then I'm using the sanding band right now to file off whatever product is left on the nail and just do a general prepping. So this is me doing the nail prep right now for the next set. She was going in for BIAB nails this time around. So I was just prepping the nails and making sure that I was taking out all the remaining polygel and whatever extension was left on the nail. So after that, I go in with my cuticle cleaner to clean out the dead skin around the cuticle area and just make sure that we have a nice clean surface. So after that, I dust off the dust and the particles rather, and here is how the nails are looking. So from here I just use acetone with a cotton pad and wipe down the nails. Then I use my primer to prime, and right now I'm using a base coat. I apply the base coat on all the nails, and yes, from this point out you're ready to go in with your BIAB. I did it off camera. Actually, I didn't get a good recording, so I couldn't include the clip. But here is the final result. Let me know what you think about this process. If you haven't already, please like, share, comment, subscribe, save this video as well. And remember, next time, do not just pop off your nails, all right? You should go to a nail tech and have them take off your nails safely so that you can have nice, healthy nails like this one. Bye!